Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of electrical resistors, exploring their working principles and practical uses. A resistor, one of the most fundamental components in electronics, is an electrical device that limits or regulates the flow of electrical current in a circuit. It does so by providing resistance, which is measured in ohms. The working principle of a resistor is based on Ohm's law, which states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points and inversely proportional to the resistance. This relationship is described by the formula I equals VR, where I is the current, V is the voltage, and R is the resistance. Essentially, resistors reduce the current flow and lower the voltage levels in circuits. There are several types of resistors, including fixed, variable, and special resistors, such as thermistors and photoresistors. Fixed resistors have a constant resistance, while variable resistors allow you to adjust the resistance level. Thermistors change resistance with temperature, and photoresistors alter resistance with light. Now, let's look at the practical uses of resistors. In circuit design, resistors are used to control voltage and current. They are key components in creating voltage dividers, biasing electronic components, and limiting current in LEDs to prevent damage. In amplifiers, resistors help set gain levels, while in power distribution, they dissipate energy as heat. Resistors are indispensable components in virtually every electronic circuit. Understanding their principles of operation and practical applications is crucial for anyone interested in electronics or electrical engineering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more insightful videos exploring the fascinating world of electronics.